Hi everyone. My name is Vikramjit Singh and I work at Codleo Consulting as a marketing automation consultant. And today I will showcase you a brief and short demo of Salesforce Pardot. So what is Pardot? Pardot is a B2B marketing automation tool that helps you automate your marketing activities. And currently, the Salesforce has renamed it as Salesforce Marketing Cloud Account Engagement. It is a Salesforce product that enables you to manage your email marketing, lead generation, website tracking, campaign automation, reporting, and analytics. So, logging into Pardot is very easy. Let me share my screen also. To log in, you just have it is very easy, like you log in into your everyday Facebook or Instagram accounts like that. You just need to go on to the URL login.salesforce.com. Once you fill up your username and password, you will land upon the Pardot homepage screen. So this is the very first screen you will land upon. So in case you your by default the Pardot screen is not showing, what you can do is you can click on the nine dots and search for account engagement. So if you click on it, you will land on to the Pardot. So here in the first home page, this is the dashboard page. In this, it shows you the all prospects which are there in your account. Let's say right now we have 13,000, and it also shows like in the last week, like I have this time frame from which I can choose. So in last week, we have created 14 prospects, and there were four conversions out of, and six opportunities were created. And below that, it showcases the marketing calendar. It will showcase all the emails which you have sent earlier and in present and in future, or in future which are also scheduled. They will also showcase here, right? And below that, there is a tab for active prospects for review. Active prospects for review means these are the most engaging prospects which shows more interest. So if I click on more prospects, the whole list will appear. And besides that, there is the column of identified companies. Identified companies means there is a tracking code which Pardot enables on your website. So everything is tracked and through Pardot. So by that tracking, they have identified like which companies, users of which companies are taking more interest on your website. So now Pardot, the most basic, like core functionality of Pardot is email automation. Le- let us go on to creating a new email. In Pardot, Pardot, what Pardot do is it makes email creation very easy. We can easily design our emails, send bulk campaigns, and we can also set up drip campaigns as well as autoresponders through Pardot. And in Pardot, it is very easy to create emails. We have a drag and drop functionality available where you can drag and drop your columns, like text. You want text column to be there, you can have that. You want your image column to be there, button to be added, you can do that. Let me showcase you that as well. here you see I have the options to add components here. And what are components? Components are nothing but my form um, section, image section, button, text you can add from here. Like here you can see, I have 6 layouts present with me and button. If you have the HTML present with you, you just need to place the HTML and you can insert your code here. And all types of personalizations can be done, depending upon the data which you have in Pardot. Also, if uh, you have some HTML present with you, from here also you can create the emails. You just need to give it a name, demo, and a campaign test, save. And Pardot offers you some pre-built layouts which you can use for building up emails. Here are the templates which Pardot provides. We can use them. And if we don't want to use the templates, we already have a template present with us, or there is any HTML code which we have, it is very easy to create that. We just need to add our HTML code here and the email will be created. And from here you can add your subject. And from testing, if I go on to the testing part, here I can send the test emails, like for the approval purpose. I can send it to the many people, as well as I can create a list for a particular set of people to which I want to send. Every time I create an email for the approval purpose, I can send them the email through here. And here you can see there is the rendering test. Rendering test means, and it is powered by Litmus, so it is very uh, it works very good. So what rendering test do is it renders the your email like how it would look on the Android device, desktop devices, iOS devices, and how it will look in dark mode, light mode, how it will perform in Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo. It showcases you all that things. And now moving on to the another main feature of Pardot is the engagement studios. Engagement studios is one of the most powerful features of Pardot. It allows you to build automated customer journeys. With Engagement Studio, you can create drip campaigns easily and automate your lead nurturing journeys. Let me create a new demo engagement studio. Save. Here you can see I have these elements present with me. What they do, I can define a rule from here, and rules, triggers, actions. Like if I want to send a email, let's say I add an email here. Like it will ask me when you want to send the email, like immediately, wait, or on specific date which you want. You can select that. And now let's say you want to do something like trigger. Let's say if someone has opened, the trigger is opening up the email. If someone has opened the email, you want to increase their score, you can do that. Here you can increase their score so your sales team can better outreach them for the marketing purposes. And you want those who have not opened the email, you can send them another email. By that, there are multiple rules and multiple options, features you have in Engagement Studio. And here also we can add the wait period also. What this does is it automates the entire funnel of your campaign, like from, and it also helps you in delivering the personalized experience. Like, and now let us come on to the data. Data means like you want to send an email and you want to send an email on particular type of data. You can do that. How you can do that? For that, in Pardot, the data is known as like segmented data is known as lists. So there are two types of list. One is static list and another is dynamic list. Static list can be used for uploading for one time purposes. Let's say you had an webinar, and you had a webinar and there are you have a list CSV file of attendees. You can upload the data into Pardot in a static list. And let's say if you want in your whole Pardot, you want a data of only C-level people. So what you can do is you can create a li- dynamic list for it, and you can define the rules. What rules are? You can add from here, you can add the field job title. So everyone, like CEO, semicolon, CFO, here you can define all the rules, and on the basis of that rules, our list will populate, and it will give you the database of all the prospects in your account, and from there you can send them a email. For your email activities you can use that data, and for any kind of activities for segmentation you can utilize this list. Another important feature of Pardot is social messages. Social messages are nothing but Pardot can do the social posting on your behalf. Like you on Facebook, and you can add your LinkedIn and Facebook account in Pardot, and from here on only you can upload a po- uh, post your do the posting from here itself. Let's say you want to add a post on LinkedIn, you don't need to go on to the LinkedIn. You can do it in Pardot itself. And also you can schedule the post for futures as well from Pardot. So currently only Facebook and LinkedIn are supported in Pardot. Also, Pardot have a feature of SC. Pardot also have the feature of SEO, search engine optimization. What Pardot U is, it allows you to track SEO performance using the data powered by SEMrush. Like here you can see all these datas are powered by SEMrush, so it's totally accurate. So from here you can add your keyword and it will give you the data like how it is performing on Google, Bing, and Google monthly volume, Yahoo. It gives you that. And also you can track your competitors also. Like here you can see how the competitor is performing, like on the basis of SEO perspective. It also monitors the search volume and difficulty. And as you it all as you know, in the start of the session, I told you Pardot provides you the tracking code. What tracking code do is it helps you track your website. You can place this tracking code in the global header or footer of your website, and it will uh, track all the pages. Or if you want to track only certain pages, you can add that code on those pages. Let me showcase you this feature. Now you see I have gone onto my website. I've gone onto my website and then I click on this page and now I fill up the form. As I have filled up the form, now I will go on to the Pardot and onto the visitor section. I will go. See, onto this visitor section, it showcases you how many page views you had today and how many new visitors you had today on your website and which top company visits your website. It all it gives you all the analytics on the basis of the tracking code which you add in your website. And here you can see my test record which I have added in the website has come onto the Pardot. And as I have served my Google, source was I searched in Google, it is showcasing you the I have come through Google natural search. If I click on my prospect, it will showcase me how many pages I have visits. 4 pages I have visit, and which all pages were there, like and how much time I have spent on them. It also gives me that like I have spent 44 seconds on contact us page, 6 seconds on this page, and 15 on this. And my entry point was this page, and last page which I have viewed was this one. And now if I click on the prospect here, let's see. Here you can see Pardot also adds the scores in the prospect. Like if I have filled up the form, it has given me 50 scores, and if I have viewed 4 pages, it has given me 4 score. So similarly, if you send an email and someone opens up the email, it increases the score of the prospect, and this all is customizable. It You can customize the scoring on depending on your needs. And by doing this, it will like help you to identify hot leads, and it will help your sales team to prioritize outreach, and it will basically increase your improve your conversions. And last and coming on to the last part, reports and dashboards. In Pardot, you don't need to build any custom reporting. Pardot provides you with the pre-built reporting. Let me open any re- email report. Here you can see the last report which we sent. This all this all metrics it provides. Like it provides you the sent, how many people on how many emails we have sent the email, the delivery rate, open click rate. It provides you that. Here you can see the clicks were this, and it also, if I click on the email clients, it tells me like how many were using the Outlook for Windows and web versions. And it also gives me the click-through rate report. What this means is how many people have clicked on which link. Like it says 25 people have clicked on RSVP here. It showcases that. So similarly, like this report, this is for email. We have for form as well as for landing pages. We have all kinds of reports. So this is it for today. I hope you liked the session. Thank you. Bye bye.